getting in some more breaking news on the broadcast, learning that TVK in its resolution has also gone on to slam the centre over the SIR exercise, citing that the bulk removal of voters in Bihar and also talking about how it is improper to undertake the SIR hastily when the case is pending. This is a version that's coming in from the TVK as well. As the poll process is ongoing in various parts of the country, we are going to be very soon having an election, the first phase of polling in Bihar. This comment coming in from the TVK, this particular statement has been made as part of their resolution where they have slammed the government of the centre over undertaking this entire SIR exercise even when the case is pending. They are talking about how it is not right that bulk voters have been removed from the voters list right ahead of elections in Bihar, and they also go on to claim that it is improper to undertake this exercise right as the case is pending. So it's not just the DMK that the TVK has slammed in its resolution over law and order and the Coimbatore sexual harassment incident. Also, in fact, talking about the Karur stampede, calling it a conspiracy, they've also commented on the SIR exercise that is being undertaken in various states post the state of Bihar. My colleague Purnima Murli is now joining us on the broadcast. Purnima, what does one make of this particular resolution? It's not just attacking the DMK over law and order, it is also taking on the centre. So the entire conjecture that probably TVK and Vijay might be currying favour from the Bharatiya Janata Party, all of that is being put to rest after this sort of a statement has come to fore by the TVK. Why at all make a mention of the SIR exercise in the resolution?
Absolutely. The TVK and the leader Vijay are sending out a strong message that their political enemy is the DMK and the ideological enemy is the BJP, and therefore an alliance or the speculation of a possibility of TVK joining hands with the AIADMK BJP for 2026 is being ruled out, because the resolutions not just target and lash out at the ruling government in Tamil Nadu but also at the centre, especially on SIR. Says why should SIR exercise be carried out hastily when there is a case pending in the Supreme Court, and also cites Bihar as an example, says that SIR should not be carried out at least till the 2026 elections. That's one of the resolutions that's passed by the Tamaraga Vetri Karagam in the General Council meeting. Apart from that, they also reiterate the deteriorating law and order in the state, cites Coimbatore sexual assault case, and questions the DMK and says why is the Chief Minister still sleeping, not really working towards ensuring that preventive measures are taken. These are some of the resolutions passed. Also attacks the centre on the fishermen issue. Remember, continuously Tamil Nadu fishermen, especially from Rameshwaram, are being arrested by the Sri Lankan Navy, and slam centre on that as well. So TVK now sending out a strong message that the two enemies for the party include both the DMK and the BJP, and therefore no question of an alliance for the 2026 polls.
Right, absolutely. So if we also take into account the version of the DMK that has come in as far as the SIR exercise is concerned, and how MK Stalin is talking about going to court over this entire exercise, or Vijay is also speaking on similar lines while citing the Bihar example and talking about how the case is pending before the court. That is at least a political posturing where we see the TVK and the DMK together attacking the centre. So far, there is no clarity on which way is Vijay going to be swinging, or is he really going to fly solo as far as elections in Tamil Nadu are concerned. But this is a rather significant statement that has been made. Purnima, do stay on with us. Narayan Tirupati of the Bharatiya Janata Party is now with us on the broadcast. Mr. Tirupati, very good morning and thank you so much for staying here on CNN News 18. Would you like to comment on the statement that has been made as part of this resolution by the TVK, questioning the centre over bringing in this SIR hastily, and this is not right, not proper?
No, it shows their innocence about SIR, or innocence, their immature, thinking about SIR. In Bihar, absolutely there is no objections or no appeals against the SIR phase 1 conducted in Bihar by the Election Commission. That itself shows how clarity the SIR has given this time. So, citing court cases, other things, see, everybody is entitled to go to court and the courts will decide. But as far as SIR is concerned, so many objections were, and also so many critics had told that SIR is going to hurt the voter list. But absolutely there is no objection from any political party, either Congress or, from Lalu's party, nothing. So, first of all, these people should understand what SIR is. In fact, the Election Commission has made elaborate arrangements. They have done their duty wonderfully well, and it will help the voter list to get purified.
All right, purified you say. Thank you so much for that, Mr. Tirupati, for joining us here on CNN News 18. With that, it's a wrap from my side. Thank you so much for watching. News and updates continue on the other side.